great to be with you this week. This week, there are some lyrics that keep looping through my mind. Let there be peace on earth, and let it begin with me. If you've ever seen the cover of my first book, The Other Side of Money, it's a pebble being tossed into a pond and the ripples that it creates. Believe it or not, we create ripples in our life, in our day, in our moments. We can choose to get up every morning and create ripples of confusion, or it is probably best to wake up every morning with the intention of creating ripples of calm. It's all about perspective and what we choose to engage our time and energy in. If we are a drop of water in the ocean, are we not also part of the ocean? And if we are one person, are we not one of all humanity on the planet? We can ripple out of our corner of the world. We can ripple out peace, kindness, happiness, gratitude, joy, and it will make a difference. The action item for the week is tell somebody, I love you for who you are. I see you for all your greatness. These messages need to be held in our heart every day. Let there be peace on earth, and let it begin with me today and every day. So the word of the week is joy. The J is for jewel, because each and every one of us are a jewel and we need to shine. The O is for open, to be open-minded and open-hearted and open to all the possibilities. And Y is for yes. Yes for all things that are new. And you know what? See what happens when you say yes. We are all special. We can each make a difference. Share and shine your light wherever you can every day. Have a great week, everyone.
I know you can't get enough of Jean. Well, you can go to thetruthayf.com for more of Jean's Words of the Week.